Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from Cashbox on Palmpay and transfer it back to your normal life or normal balance. It's a simple process, so let's dive right into it. First things first, log into your Palmpay account. Once you're in, look at the Cashbox menu. Now click on the Cashbox option, and this will take you to your Palmpay flexible Cashbox account. Now to start the withdrawal, click on withdraw. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Whether you're withdrawing everything or just part of it, simply input the amount here. Once you have done that, you will be given the option to withdraw it to your Palmpay balance. Just keep in mind, if you need the money in your bank account, you'll be have to first withdraw it to your Palm balance and then transfer it to your bank from there. Now click next and you'll be prompted to enter your Palmpay PIN. After entering your PIN, the transaction will be completed immediately. And that's it. Your money is now successfully withdrawn from your cash box. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one as always.